Warning, watching Snap on Friday could cause the following. Increase in Snap on tool purchases. Drastic loss of toolbox space, possibly resulting in the need of a bigger toolbox. Feeling of personal pride and self-worth. Decreased communication with spouse or significant other. Lowered bank account balance. Tool envies from others, especially co-workers. Could cause a possible increase in libido and or increase in testosterone levels. Warnings have not been approved by FDA, FCC, EPA, FBI, FDIC, ASC, DOD, ICE, NATO, FTC, NCIS, or any of the other abbreviations that nobody understands anyway. Extreme caution is advised.
What's up, guys? Today's Friday, Snap on Friday. Hamilton's outside. Let's go take a look.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Going out. What you doing? Got something good for me? I like goodies.
Try them out. That's the TIG welding gloves.
All right.
We'll see how they do for what you're looking for.
Yeah. Showing up. Bunch of goodies today. Been looking at them.
I know you got some no-name ones to trade in or something.
No, them's metrics.
20 to 24.
Yeah, that's at the Ratchets.
We got a bunch of ratchets in them, bunch of daggone pliers too.
Golly, at the pliers. If you ain't got the right pliers now, something's wrong, ain't it? Did you get that lock and flex head comfort grip in for me?
Shoot, no. I ain't got no locking ones in right now.
Golly, you're gonna have to like apologize to Jackson.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Jackson Young.
We ain't got the ratchet in yet.
He's counting on Hamilton to come through for him today.
Yep. I don't think I got any lock and flex heads.
Things are good sellers.
Yeah, they go fast.
Hard handle screwdrivers. Shoot, yeah.
Hard handle locking ones.
I gotta get Matthew wanted me to pick him a set of them flat picks up. I know you got a set of them, don't you?
Yeah, I think I got one up there.
There they are.
Got two of them on there.
Good deal. Alright, everybody's wanting to know, so I'm gonna ask you. Can you change the color handles out?
On these?
Yep.
You can, but you can't buy them in other colors, but you can pull the handle out. We can get a screwdriver handle or something. Just
see, I've got that green 3-piece trim removal set, and I wanted red.
Yeah.
So, is that doable?
Yeah, we can swap the handles out.
Shoot, yeah, look at that, boy. Snap-on service right there. That's perfect. All right, I'll go in there and grab them and come back. We'll do that. That way Matthew will be happy and I'll be happy.
There you go. Like Clay was just asking, can you swap out the handles? You can swap out the handles on any of them. These right here is SGA SA104BR. They're only available in red. I can't even order the orange handles for these, but we're going to swap out some of the screwdriver handles that work on the same one, same size. That's not the right one. Here it is. Just the numbers gonna be wrong on your handles. On say you got a screwdriver, actually you got the pick.
Right.
But I mean, we know what we got on there.
All right. Well, let me go grab them trim removal pieces, and I'll be right back.
I go ahead and pull these off real quick.
Well, that's customer service right there.
Get it done.
So Matthew Cox, you're gonna have the custom only set of green flat handle picks. Thanks to the world's greatest snap-on man.
That's right.
I'm happy too, because them things look lonely in there being the only green ones.
The only gray ones. Same size. No.
There's three of them. It may be this bigger one.
I think the shaft is going to be different. We'll check them out once I get it off. I'll go down and see.
first green handle flat radiator pick around here anyway.
Yeah, around here. Wrong way.
Might may confuse some snap-on man looking at that part number on that handle.
Hey, what y'all doing? Told you ain't no telling when you'd see me out there.
Sucker right here says
There
up
it is.
everywhere. There's the first one.
The very first one.
What's he doing?
Putting a green handle on a flat pick. Well, there they are, Matthew. Your first, the first and only set of green handle flat picks. I need to take a Sharpie and scratch that R out, put a G on the end of it. Millimeter 10 point.
10 point.
That's crazy. You got the rainbow going in here now, all these colors.
Got a whole bunch of them up on the road.
You got them long neck ratchets in yet?
They that
The one that's on the cover of that.
I hope they at my house today.
Everybody want them?
Yeah. I got 12 out of 20 pre-sold right now.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd rather sell them before I get them. I ain't got to tie my money up.
Easy peasy.
Well, there we go. Me and Matthew both happy campers now. Look at that. Alright, guys. Let me sit y'all down. Here's them headlights again. So if you guys ain't picked one up, y'all missing out. These are almost as good as those flat peaks. Almost.
This is going to you or?
What that, yeah, that flat pick set. Yeah, you just put it on mine. Yeah, that's something.
Some people, damn.
What you doing with these drag slicks back here?
I have spares.
Fixing to go, put them on the snap-on truck where you do some burnouts.
Yeah.
Burnouts in the snap-on truck.
I got some old screwdrivers. They're square handle snap-ons that my daddy used to have. They gave me a long time ago.
They finally selling par X's. You find me none of them yet? 3/8 head conversion things in for that little short ratchet.
I think I did get one more of them in.
Alright guys, we're fixing to make this a 3/8. Tell me that won't be a handy little joker. Alright, so he's going to show y'all how to do the custom ratchet start to finish. that is a bad little dude right there. Look at that. This is where y'all insert your oohs and ahs.
Start wishing.
Yeah, that's it. That's a tiny little fella right there. That's awesome. Oh, you got one order?
Yeah.
Look at there. Y'all can buy it straight off the truck. You don't even have to customize it. Ain't that something? That's a sharp little old dude right there. Sharp. Sharp.
Some I've been selling a bunch of the past 2 weeks. I ain't got none on there now. But the little spinners.
The little hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy looking. You have to show that to them.
Palm ratchet. Pretty neat. Pretty easy.
I tell you,
Very
I
good.
used them 1/2-inch wobble pluses this morning.
You like?
Yes, sir. Lug nut ripper. How's them work? Kind of like a turbo socket for lug nut?
If you got one that's stripped out, you can't get out or something.
Yeah.
These are your guides. Here's your bit made out of tungsten.
So
Where they sell bit replacements. I keep these on the truck.
shut them out.
Yeah. They some bad dudes.
Hmm.
Don't want this to get too hot though. It will burn them up. But it tells you they'll keep water on it.
Yeah. That's a
But you got all
sharp
your
shit.
guides though, so you don't damage your wheel. You got to stop, so you can put on here so you can stop it.
That's a nice kit right there.
Yeah.
Very nice. Some cool stuff in here this time. I haven't seen it before. When you gonna do the deal with the new that Ratchet I was gonna buy last week?
That'd be
Grilling.
with the grilling contest.
Yeah.
I would be shipping my stuff pretty quickly, so I would be here with, if not next week, should be the week after.
Mm-hmm. Well, I definitely want one of them Ratchets when that gets started.
Yeah.
Did you say y'all was gonna have a special on those and those?
Yep.
Or
That being on that grilling thing too.
same thing?
Yep.
Well, I need to wait on them too.
Yeah, might as well get something free and try to win something out of it.
That's it. That's the name of the game, ain't it?
Yeah.
Get them polishers in. I'm still out of them.
I don't know if I got one or not. I don't think it. Nope.
I think that thing will come in handy. So it'll spin a roll-off pad just as good.
15,000 RPM.
That's what I need.
I got guys now buying the 3-inch pads, so because most of them are using the edge of it anyway, then wear it out, and it's on a 2-inch
Right.
pad. They use a 3-inch roll-off, and they just take scissors and cut it down to 2-inch.
Well, I know mine, it's a pneumatic one, and it won't spin fast enough to carry a 3-inch. I have to run a 2-inch.
Oh, heck.
Yeah.
You need that.
I got that red one.
Well, you need a second one. What if you got work on the other side of the vehicle? One for left, one for right.
I can't lay them one at a time.
What if your wife won't help you?
Well, she can have the creeper and I'll tough it out on the concrete. If it's got that bad, I'll
That's
go
the wrong answer you're supposed to give.
I'll tough it out.
Our nearest pocket pliers.
Jolly Green Giant pocket pliers.
When that driver wants to act up, you grab him by the throat.
Well, I'm a joker right there.
They
Heavy.
heavy, ain't they?
I got a pair of channel lock brands, but they ain't quite that big. Well, they're that long, but they don't open up.
I got the same ones.
You can get a damn fuel filter with that. What's them run a set?
87015s.
Imagine them's gonna be bad high just because of the damn shipping from Germany. It cost $100. Alright guys, I'm gonna shut this thing off and I'll show y'all what we got. Y'all hang in there. Alright guys, as you've seen, Hamilton had a lot of goodies on the truck today. First thing I got done was the conversion, as you've seen, on my little bitty tiny 1/4 inch ratchet that's now a 3/8. That is a T72, so that's gonna come in super duper handy. I think that's really gonna help me out in some tight spots. As you've seen, the custom green flat radiator hose pick set, that part number is SGA 102BR. It's the only green handle set probably in the United States, so Matthew Cox, that was just for you. And as you've seen, I had the green handle trim piece set switched over to red, so I'm happy with that. That way everything will match. And I picked up the hard handle screwdriver set. It's a 5-piece, 2 Phillips, 3 flat. That part number is SDDX50AR. And Shine M is having a thing for her business where they're doing a basket for the Relay for Life, and they're asking for donations to go in the basket. So what better to put in there than a pair of pink snap-on socks? So there you go. And Hamilton ordered me a set of leather TIG gloves. That part number is YA282. So we'll be trying these bad boys out and let you know how they work. Those are made by BluePoint. But anyway, guys, that's what we got today on the Snap-on Friday. I thought it was pretty cool. A lot of cool stuff that went on the truck, and you know, something you may not get to see every day. Anyway, guys, like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.